Hi guys, it's G-Economics here once again, continuing this whole notion of the income consumption curve. So in this particular video I'm going to explain to you how we derive the income consumption curve, again when one of the goods is an inferior good, but this time instead of it being apples as the inferior good, cola is considered to be the inferior good in this instance. Remember, what is an inferior good? It is a good which you consume less of as your income increases. Do we know and do we see that income is increasing in this diagram? Of course we do, ladies and gentlemen. How do we see that? We see that because BL1, budget line 1, is here. Then it moves outwards to budget line 2, so we're moving away from the origin. And then it moves outwards again to budget line 3. So all of this pointing to an increase in incomes. What do we see in terms of indifference curves? We see IC1, IC2, IC3. Again, we're moving in this direction. The consumer is preferring to consume more, at least of one good, as their income rises. Before we even look at this, we would anticipate, given that cola is the inferior good, as income rises, the consumption of cola is going to be dropping back toward the origin. Is this happening, ladies and gentlemen? Let's take a look. First point, this is our combination of cola and apples, remembering and bearing in mind that cola is the inferior good. Then we move to here, so we're consuming more apples because we're moving now in this direction. However, you can see our consumption of cola, in spite of the fact that our income has gone up, because it's an inferior good, cola consumption is now on the slide. And when we get to this point here, the final point on this particular diagram, again, more apples, but again, note the reduction in the consumption of cola. Join the points together to give you this brown line here, which I've abbreviated, and I'm calling it the income consumption curve, ladies and gentlemen. So that is the income consumption curve whenever cola is the inferior good. That's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Bye, and see you next time.